EBS Kids.
Sounds of animals.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mr. Mo. Nice to see you again. Hey, the door opened. Come on. Let's go. Is everybody here with me? Good. Huh? What's that sound? Do you know, friends?
Horse.
Yep, it's a horse. And a horse goes like this. Nah, nah. Huh? What's that sound? Hey, friends, do you know what that is?
It's a rooster.
Yep, it's a rooster. And a rooster goes like this. Cockle-doodle-doo! Cockle-doodle-doo! Hey, the door opened. It's time to go. Come on.
Meanie.
Miny?
Mo!
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Let's play boom, boom, boom. Yeah!
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Let's play Jim, Jim, Jim.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's pick the right one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Woo, woo, whoa!
Yeah! Hello, everyone.
Hello, Mr. Mo.
Huh? Hey, what's that sound?
Help!
Somebody needs help.
Mr. Mo, help us! Mrs. Quiet doesn't like us!
Be quiet. Go away.
We should leave! Help!
어떡해. 동물 친구들이 미시스 콰이어 때문에 농장을 떠나야 하나 봐요.
No. Oh, no. Okay, I'll go help them. Come on, friends, let's go. Oh, hey, friends.
Oh, Mr. Mo!
Now, tell me what happened.
Well, let me tell you.
Okay.
The rooster goes.
Be quiet, please. Rooster! Be quiet, please. It's time to wake up.
The pig goes.
Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink.
The horse goes. Neigh! Neigh! Neigh!
Pig! Horse! Be quiet, please! I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too!
Oh my, she's so rude.
Yes!
Yes!
And that's not all. There is more. Moo!
Oh, it's a lovely day. I want to sing a song.
Quack, 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 quack. Yeah!
want to sing a song too. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah!
Wow, Cat! Let's sing together!
Meow.
Quack, 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 quack.
Meow, 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 meow. Yeah! Be quiet!
Oh no! I'll talk to her!
Oh, yes, thanks. Good luck.
Hello, Mrs. Quiet. I'm Mr. Mo.
Hush! Be quiet, please.
What? Well, okay, but Mrs. Quiet, why don't you like the animals?
Of course I like them, but I can't help it because of my baby.
Every time my baby's sleeping.
The pig goes.
Doink, 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 doink.
The horse goes.
Neigh, 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 neigh.
The mouse goes. Squeak, 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 squeak. Oh no! Please be quiet. The duck goes.
Quack, 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 quack.
The cat goes.
Meow, 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 meow.
The rooster goes.
Rock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oh, see? My baby can't sleep.
Oh no! I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
Oh, that's all right.
No. I want to help the animals, and I want to help Mrs. Quiet too. What should I do? Ah, that's it! I'm going to play music with the animal sounds.
Playing music with the animal sound?
와, 미스터 모가 동물 친구들의 소리로 음악을 들려준대. 친구들도 함께 보러 가자.
Okay, let's go! Oink, 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 oink,
Oh,
oink,
Edie, Mrs. Quiet.
Mr. Mo?
Oh, hello. Please, have a seat. Have a seat.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We'll now play very special music, especially for Mrs. Quiet and her baby.
Oh, yeah. Meow, 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 meow. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Ba ba ba.
Neigh, neigh. Oink, 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 oink. Moo, moo. Quack, quack, quack.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Meow, meow. Squeak, squeak.
Ba ba.
Neigh. Oink, oink, moo. Quack, quack, quack.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful.
Wow, yeah.
Did you like this piece, Mrs. Quiet?
Yes, I like it very much. Look, my baby likes it too.
Wow, that's great!
Oh, I'm sorry, animals.
I'm sorry too.
I'm glad they're happy.
Yeah, you did a good job, Mr. Mo. Bravo! Bravo!
Oh no, please, please! Oh no!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Think and play.
Listen to the elephant. The elephant goes. Squeak, squeak.
Huh?
What happens?
It's me, a mouse. Squeak, squeak.
Squeak. A mouse goes squeak, squeak.
Listen to the horse. The horse goes.
Tweet, tweet.
Huh?
What happens?
It's me, a bird. Tweet, tweet.
Tweet. A bird goes tweet, tweet.
Listen to the bear. The bear goes.
Huh?
What happens?
It's me, Bee. Buzz.
Buzz. A bee goes buzz, buzz.
Beanie, meanie.
Mighty
Mo.
Meow, meow. Hi, friends. Meow, I'm a cat. Meow, meow, meow.
Oh, Mr. Mo, it's funny.
Hey, friends, do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Mo, it's a paper bag, isn't it?
Yes, it is a paper bag. And today we're going to make animals with paper bags like these.
친구들, 오늘은 종이봉투로 동물 마스크를 만들 거래. 우리 주변에서 쉽게 구할 수 있는 거니까 모두 함께 만들어 보자.
All right, how about this animal? Oink, 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 oink.
Oink, oink. Friends, do you know what it is?
Yes, right. Let's make a pig together.
Yeah.
First, draw the eyes.
조심, 조심. 눈을 뚫을 때는 위험하니까 엄마에게 부탁하자.
Okay, now put the ears, nose, and mouth on the bag. Ta-da!
Oh.
Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. I'm a pig. Ha ha ha.
Oh, it's great. Oh, Mr. Mo. I made one too.
Huh? Really? Wow, what did you make?
Listen. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Hey, friends, do you know what sound it is?
Okay. Yes! Ta-da! I made a mouse, and a mouse goes.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Yeah!
Great! Hey, friends, what about you? Did you make masks?
Yes, we made it! A pig says, in English, oink, 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 oink. A mouse says, in English, squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
All right, it's time to say goodbye. Next time, we will talk about many different kinds of musical instruments.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.